Back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscaping. Landscape drainage solutions is what we do, and I'm showing you today one of the ways in which you can begin to give your customers more quality and more quantity of service than that of what they could have expected by just simply tying in those gutter downspouts. That's right, not only tying in the gutter downspouts, but doing it in the most effective way. That means even going as far as screwing every single piece in so that you don't have to worry about any areas of your landscape not being able to be dealt with from a perspective of an absolute total solution. So by us being able to screw those in, we make sure that those gutter downspout connectors does not come apart. But it also says, folks, when you start talking about landscape drainage, you got to make sure you got this fall. So if you look at the way in which we've created this fall on the landscape, it says that the water. So if you look at this design that we got here, guys, you can see that it's absolutely going to be one of the best ways for us to deal with the water that is coming off of the customer's landscape. And this is what we call roof drainage. So